Hello students, good morning all of you. Welcome to online math classes. Yesterday we had discussed about some topic of trigonometry and we had solved all problems of trigonometry and we had completed trigonometry chapter. Then now we are going to start new chapter number 2, and name of the chapter is polynomials. Now we are going to discuss about what is polynomial. First question is what is polynomial? Polynomial, an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression is in the form of an algebraic expression is in the form of a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus plus an x to the power n. An algebraic expression is in the form of a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus plus an x to the power n, where an does not equal to 0, where an does not equal to 0 is called polynomial. Where an does not equal to 0 is called polynomial. Thus the definition of polynomial is an algebraic expression is in the form of a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus an xn, where an does not equal to 0 is called polynomial of one variable. Polynomial in one variable, and in this expression a0 a1 a2 a3 an is are real number. In expression a0 a1 a2 a3 an are real numbers, and each power of x and each power of x is non-negative integer. Implies that positive integer with 0. Clear? एक्सप्रेशन किसे कहते हैं? अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. एन एक्सप्रेशन इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ, एक एक्सप्रेशन जो इस फॉर्म में हो a0 a1x प्लस a2x स्क्वायर प्लस a3x क्यूब प्लस an x to the power n, where last term an does not equal to 0 and a0 a1 a2 it is our रियल नंबर. ये क्या है? रियल नंबर है. एंड ईच पावर ऑफ एक्स, यानी दिस पावर एक्स पावर जितना भी है सभी पावर नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर होनी चाहिए, यानी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, यानी जो एक्स के पावर रहेंगे इसमें वो पावर 0 1 2 3 4 इनफाइनाइट यही होंगे. ये होंगे पावर्स. और ये क्या होंगे? a0 a1 a2 ये क्या होंगे? रियल नंबर्स. एंड इन रियल नंबर्स, व्हाट इज रियल नंबर्स? इन रियल नंबर्स all is real numbers when in whole number, natural number or clear rational number, irrational number, all is real number. आपके लिए ये एक्सप्रेशन लिखना बहुत इजी है. जैसे a0 प्लस a1, तो साथ साथ लिखिए स्टार्टिंग फर्स्ट टर्म a0 इंटू एक्स टू द पावर 0, फर्स्ट टर्म a0 इंटू एक्स टू द पावर 0 प्लस a1 x to the power 1 plus a2 x to the power 2 plus a3 x to the power 3 plus an x to the power n. Clear? This is very easy form of polynomial. a0 x to the power 0 plus a1 x to the power 1. यही ये फॉर्म है. किसी भी नंबर पे 0 पावर इज इक्वल टू 1. दिस इज 0 पावर्स. The rule of powers किसी भी नंबर पावर 0 इक्वल टू 1, 2 टू द पावर 0 इक्वल टू 1, उसी प्रकार x टू द पावर 0 इक्वल टू 1, 2 to the power 0 is equal to 1 and x to the power 0 is equal to 1 and this is 1, then a0 plus a1, 1 पावर में लिखा जाता है a1x plus a2x स्क्वायर plus a3x क्यूब। तो आप लोग फॉर्म याद कर लीजिए, a0x to the power 0, a1x to the power 1, a2 ऐसे हमको डॉट डॉट कर देना, an to the power when an does not equal to 0 and a1, a2, a3 are real numbers. And what is real numbers? All numbers whose square is non-negative. All numbers whose square is non-negative is called rational number, implies that all is called real number, implies that all rational or irrational number, all rational and irrational number is called real number. Clear? So we discuss about polynomial. Polynomial is in the form of an expression is in form of a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 an x to the power n. Example is 2x square plus 5x plus 3. It is called polynomial. Clear? Or 3x plus 1 or 5x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 2. This is the example of polynomial. Clear? In the polynomial some small terms, polynomial में कुछ छोटे छोटे टर्म आते हैं जिसको हम लोग जानेंगे। आप लोग इसको 9th क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं। क्लियर? जैसे फर्स्ट कांस्टेंट, सेकंड वेरिएबल, थर्ड अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन, फोर्थ टर्म ऑफ अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन, फिफ्थ पोलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल, सिक्स्थ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ ए पोलिनोमियल। क्लियर? तो इन छोटे छोटे टर्म के बारे में हम लोग रिवीजन करेंगे जो आप लोग 9th क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं। जैसे इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म है कांस्टेंट। What is constant and what is variable? First question is what is constant and what is variable? First, constant, a symbol which have fixed value, a symbol which have only one values. This is called constant. Very simple definition and very easy definition is a symbol which have only one value, a symbol which have a fixed value या a fixed numerical value. Clear? A symbol which have a numerical value or a symbol which have numerical value or a symbol which have a fixed value is called constant. Like 5, 7, -6, 0, it is called constant. Any doubt? Understand? Next, variable. Next, variable, a symbol which have more than one value or a symbol which have not fixed value or a symbol which have different values is called variable. First, a symbol which have a fixed value is called constant, like A, B, C. Then which have a fixed value. इस सब सिंबल का केवल एक ही मान होता है, एक ही वैल्यू होती है, इसे कहते हैं कांस्टेंट। एंड ए वेरिएबल, ए सिंबल विच हैव डिफरेंट वैल्यू, ए सिंबल विच हैव डिफरेंट वैल्यू। जैसे एग्जांपल, इन ए सर्कल डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू, इन ए सर्कल डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 और एंड ऑल सर्कल, एनी स्मॉल सर्कल और लार्ज सर्कल और बिग सर्कल, वेरी लार्ज सर्कल, रेडियस इज change, but the value of 2 is not change for any circle, then 2 is called constant. And radius is change in 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, then the value of r is 1, 2, 3 values, then diameter is 2, 4, 6, 3 values, then diameter and radius are called variable and 2 is called constant. Clear? Any doubt? The variable is a symbol which have different values. A symbol which have different values, yes, a symbol which have more than one values, the many values is called variable. Then example आपके सामने है, जैसे x in quadratic equation x के 2 values आपको प्राप्त होते हैं, x is equal to 2, 3, then x is called variable. Clear? Any doubt? Next is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? A combination of constant and variable. A combination of constant and variable which is connected by या which is combined by plus minus multiply and division, which is combined by plus minus multiplication and division is called algebraic expression. Clear? Simple definition: a combination of constant and variable which is connected by या combined by these operation is called algebraic expression. Again definition is, what is algebraic expression? And the combination of, simple definition of algebraic expression: the combination of constant and variable which is connected by or which is combined by plus minus multiply and division operation is called algebraic expression. For example 5x, for example 5x plus 3. Clear? In this is called algebraic expression. There 5 and 3 are constant and x is variable, and this is combination is 5 into multiply and plus. In the algebraic expression we use the symbol plus and multiply. Clear? Then the definition of algebraic expression is the combination of constant and variable which is combined by, connected by plus minus multiply and division. all are 1 और 2. इसमें कनेक्टेड में हम चारों का यूज कर सकते हैं, चारों से कनेक्टेड होगा या इसमें से किसी एक से भी कनेक्टेड होगा तो उसे हम algebraic एक्सप्रेशन कहेंगे. जैसे एग्जांपल x प्लस 2, इसमें कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल केवल प्लस से कनेक्टेड है, तब भी इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? algebraic एक्सप्रेशन. और सभी का यूज रहेगा, जैसे 5x प्लस 5x स्क्वायर प्लस 3/2x माइनस 5, इसमें आपका प्लस डिवीजन निगेटिव एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन सबका यूज है, तो इसे भी हम क्या कहेंगे? algebraic एक्सप्रेशन. यानी कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल का कंबाइंड रूप जिसे हम कंबाइंड करेंगे, जो इन चारों सिंबल द्वारा जुड़ा होगा या इसमें से कोई एक दो सिंबल के द्वारा भी जुड़ा होगा, उसे हम क्या कहेंगे? algebraic एक्सप्रेशन. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज द टर्म ऑफ algebraic एक्सप्रेशन. नेक्स्ट, the term of algebraic expression. What is term of algebraic expression? The several part of an algebraic expression which is separated by plus or minus operation is called algebraic expression. This is the very easy definition is the term of an algebraic expression, a several part of an algebraic expression which is separated by plus or minus is called algebraic expression. जैसे for example polynomial. What is example of algebraic expression? We see that 5x plus 3 or 5x square plus 3/2x minus 4. What is the term? The several part, अलग अलग पार्ट, जिसे the several part of an algebraic expression, algebraic expression का several part जिसको separated करता है, अलग करता है, plus and minus. यहाँ plus तो ये पार्ट और ये पार्ट, this is called term. This is the one term and this is the one term. In this algebraic expression we have seen two terms. Clear? And in this operation the several part is separated by plus and minus, not separated by multiplication and division. And we see that the second example, this is plus and this is minus, then this is called term and this is called term and this is called term. And in this algebraic expression we have seen three terms. In this algebraic expression we seen two terms, 5x and 3, and this is in this example three terms, 5x square and 3/2x and 4, and these terms are separated by plus and minus. Clear? So term of algebraic expression is clear. Okay. Next, polynomial in one variable. We had already discussed about polynomial, and in use of one variable is called polynomial in one variable. अभी हम लोग पढ़े हैं what is polynomial में, polynomial of one variable. जैसे 3x square plus 5x minus 2. This is called polynomial in one variable because this in this polynomial, in this algebraic expression we use one variable, this variable is x, clear, and in the form of a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 an x to the power n, where an does not equal to 0 is called the polynomial in one variable, clear. And next is standard form of a polynomial. Next is standard form of a polynomial, clear. Standard form of polynomial, a polynomial is in x, a polynomial is in x expressed in the ascending power of x or in descending power of x is said to be in स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल को हम पावर के घटते हुए क्रम में या पावर के बढ़ते हुए क्रम में लिखते हैं तो उसे हम कहते हैं स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, क्लियर। द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल इन एक्स, क्लियर, ए पॉलिनोमियल इन एक्स एक्सप्रेस्ड इन ascending power of x or in descending power of x is said to be standard form of a polynomial, clear. Then for example 3x square plus 5x minus 2, this is called standard form. This example is 5x plus 9x square plus 3 by 2, clear. Then it is not a ascending or descending order of power of x. The ascending order is 3 by 2 plus 5x plus 9x square, and the descending order is 9x square plus 5x plus 3 by 2. It is called, these two form is called standard form, clear. नेक्स्ट अब हम पॉलिनोमियल को डिवाइड करेंगे पार्ट में, जिसमें फर्स्ट है पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ वेरियस डिग्री, डिग्री के बेस पे पॉलिनोमियल को हम डिग्री के बेस पे डिवाइड करेंगे, और सेकेंड नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इन पॉलिनोमियल, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स के बेस पे हम पॉलिनोमियल को डिवाइड करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ वेरियस डिग्री, व्हाट इज डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल, क्लियर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज डिग्री ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल। इन एनी पॉलिनोमियल द मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल, in any polynomial the maximum power of variable is called the degree of polynomial, clear. Then we say that the degree of a polynomial, the maximum power of variable in the polynomial or in the algebraic expression is called the degree of polynomial. Example, the standard form is x0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot 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 plus an x to the power n. The maximum power, if the power is in increasing order, x power 1, x power 2, dot 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 x power n, we see that the maximum power is n, then the polynomial is of degree. Degree is equal to n. The polynomial is of degree n, clear. For example 3x cube plus 5x square minus 9x plus 1, what is the degree of polynomial? The degree is equal to 3. The maximum power of variable is 3, clear. And this example 5x plus 2, the degree of polynomial, the maximum power is 1, then degree is equal to 1. Then all of you clear what is the degree of polynomial of various degree। हम डिग्री पॉलिनोमियल ऑफ वेरियस डिग्री, हम डिग्री के आधार पर पॉलिनोमियल का डिवीजन करेंगे। द फर्स्ट इज लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल, क्लियर। सेकेंड इज क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल, थर्ड इज क्यूबिक polynomial, and 4 is biquadratic polynomial, clear. So in the base of degree we have 4 types of polynomial, first linear, second quadratic, third cubic, and fourth biquadratic. First linear polynomial, clear. First is linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? A polynomial in the degree is 1. जिस polynomial की डिग्री 1 हो, 1 हो, this polynomial is called linear polynomial. Example 2x or 3x plus 4, clear. It is called linear polynomial. The standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. The standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. And the second is quadratic polynomial. A polynomial which degree is 2. Example, 2x square plus 5x minus 1 or 5x square plus 1. This is called quadratic polynomial because the degree of polynomial is 2. The standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Clear? And the third is cubic polynomial. A polynomial which have 3 degree or a polynomial of 3 degree is called cubic polynomial. Example, 3x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 1 or 5x cube minus 3x. Clear? Or 6x cube. Clear? Or 5x cube plus 9x plus 1. This is the example of cubic polynomial. Clear? The standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the standard form of cubic polynomial. And fourth last is biquadratic polynomial. And what is biquadratic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. Example, 4x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 9x square plus 5x minus 3 or 4x to the power 4 or 9x to the power 4 plus 3x. Clear? This is called biquadratic polynomial, and the standard form of biquadratic polynomial is ax4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. This is the standard form of biquadratic polynomial. Next, we have divide the polynomial on the base of number of term. Clear? So number of term in a polynomial. So next is number of term in a polynomial, and the base of number of term in a polynomial. The polynomial is 3 types. Main 3 types है और clear? So first is monomial. Second is binomials. Third is trinomial. Clear? So the base of number of term. So first is monomial. A polynomial which have one term, only one term is called monomial. Example which have one term, minus 3 or 5x or 3x square. Clear? Or 9x cube. This is called monomial. And what is binomial? A polynomial which have 2 terms is called binomial. जैसे for example 5x plus 3 or 9x cube plus 1 or 5x plus 7, it is called binomial. And third is trinomial. In the polynomial which have 3 terms is called trinomial. For example 5x plus 3, 5x square plus 3 plus 2x or 9x cube plus 2 plus 3x, it is called trinomial which have 3 term. Clear? Then और इसके बाद अगर इससे ज्यादा पावर हो, जैसे 5 टर्म हो, 5x स्क्वायर प्लस 9x प्लस 6 प्लस 7x स्क्वायर क्यूब, this is called a polynomial of 4 term. Clear? Then दो definition और important है. constant polynomial and zero polynomial. Clear? First is, what is constant polynomial? A polynomial which have only one term and this is constant. एक polynomial पास केवल एक term हो जो constant हो, तो इसे हम कहेंगे constant polynomial. जैसे example, constant polynomial example -3 or 5 or 9 or 3/2. This is called constant polynomial. And what is zero polynomial? A polynomial which have only one term is zero. जिस polynomial केवल एक term हो जो क्या हो, zero हो, this is called zero polynomial. अब हम लोग दो टॉपिक और पढ़ेंगे. फर्स्ट, वैल्यू ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल एट ए गिवन पॉइंट, एंड सेकंड इज जीरोज ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. फर्स्ट इज वैल्यू ऑफ ए पॉइंट एट ए गिवन पॉइंट. क्लियर? value of a point at a given point. So a polynomial, let a polynomial px in x and given point is any real number. Given point is any real number. We take alpha, then put x is equal to, then put x. If px is any polynomial in x and alpha is any real number, then the value of polynomial at x is equal to alpha. We put x is equal to अल्फा. इस पॉलिनोमियल में हम x अब क्या पुट कर देंगे, अल्फा पुट कर देंगे. तो जो हमको वैल्यू प्राप्त होगी उसे हम कहते हैं द वैल्यू ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल एट ए गिवन पॉइंट x इज इक्वल टू अल्फा. क्लियर. तो गिवन पॉलिनोमियल लेट एग्जांपल लेट px इज इक्वल टू 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and we can take x is equal to 3, then we putting 3 in px, then it is called px, p alpha. This value p alpha is called value of any particular given point. If let example polynomial px is equal to 3x square plus 5x minus 3, then we can take x is equal to 3. So putting the value p3 is equal to 3 into 3 cube plus 5 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 3 into 27 plus 5 into 3 15 minus 3 is equal to 71. It is 81 plus 15 minus 3 12 is equal to 393. The value is 93. P3 तो क्या हुआ, किसी भी वैल्यू पॉलिनोमियल गिवन पॉइंट पे कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल यदि px दिया हुआ है, एनी पॉलिनोमियल px दिया हुआ है और किसी भी पॉइंट पे कोई भी रियल नंबर पे यदि वैल्यू पूछ रहा है तो उस वैल्यू को हम उस पॉलिनोमियल में पुट अप कर देंगे. तो जो p अल्फा होगा, जो वैल्यू हमको प्राप्त होगी उसे हम कहेंगे पॉलिनोमियल वैल्यू ऑफ ए पॉलिनोमियल एट ए गिवन पॉइंट. हमने एग्जांपल लिया 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 5x माइनस 3. अगर वैल्यू पूछ रहा है x इक्वल टू 3 पे तो हम इसमें x यहाँ पे 3 पुट कर देंगे. तो p3 इज इक्वल टू दिस सॉल्व कर देंगे, वैल्यू मिला 93. This implies 93 is the value of a given point x is equal to 3. Connected है, इसी से connected है zeros of a polynomial. What is the condition? Then we said zeros. Clear? तो यदि हम अभी पढ़े values of polynomial at a given point, किसी भी point पे polynomial की वैल्यू निकालना, तो किसी भी polynomial में ऐसा पॉइंट जिस पॉइंट पे इस पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो जाए उसे हम कहेंगे zeros of polynomial. If we can take any polynomial px and we putting any value x is equal to alpha, then we find the value of polynomial is p alpha, and this value of polynomial is if p alpha is equal to 0, then it is called the zeros of polynomial. Then alpha is called zeros of polynomial. तो हम एग्जांपल एक लेंगे, जैसे एग्जांपल x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x माइनस 3. क्लियर. x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x माइनस 3 और हम लेंगे इसकी वैल्यू x इज इक्वल टू 3 पे. क्लियर. तो 3 से पुट कर देंगे x ये होगा px, ये क्या है आपका पॉलिनोमियल px है, इसे पुट करेंगे p3 इज इक्वल टू 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू 3 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 9 माइनस 6 माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 9 माइनस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0 and this is 0. The polynomial value of x is equal to 3 is 0. Then 3 is the zeros of polynomial. Clear. And the value 3 is, जैसे इस एग्जांपल में क्या था कि हमको किसी भी पॉइंट पे वैल्यू फाइंड करना था, तो वो पॉइंट को हम इस पॉलिनोमियल में पुट अप कर दिए, जो वैल्यू मिली उसे हम कहेंगे वैल्यू ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल एट ए गिवन पॉइंट. अगर यही वैल्यू 0 हो जाए, जैसे इस एग्जांपल में इस पॉलिनोमियल में अगर x इक्वल टू 3 हम पुट अप करेंगे तो इस पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, 0 आ गई. तब इसी रियल नंबर को, इसी वैल्यू को हम कहेंगे zeros of polynomial. Clear? Noted it. Clear? Then all of you noted all of the basic example. All of you understand and all of you noted all basic examples. Clear? And you are facing, if you are facing any problem, please comment on my YouTube channel or ask to me on comment on or on WhatsApp group. We will solve your problem. Then best of luck. We will meet in next class.